Hey guys, good morning. We're gonna weld on some Grousers today on the dozer. Man, oh man, we're going up to Idaho to work on the road. If you guys aren't a subscriber, you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. We are moving to Idaho and it's coming. So today we got to put some Grousers on this dozer. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. So if you guys notice right here, these are the track pads, right? They have the chain that's underneath, and then the pads are bolted to the chain. Everything is all in good condition. These pads are meant more for a loader. So these things are things that are too flat, and so I need to actually put up a Grouser that's on here. I had a subscriber making a comment about this, telling me how much I was going to spend, and last weekend we took this out for its maiden voyage, its maiden journey, and got it off the trailer, and I was able to push a little bit of dirt with it, and it was wet, and actually it was raining, and it had decent traction, but it definitely, as I started to bite in a little bit, definitely was doing a little bit of spinning. So I need to build up these Grousers. We're going to do that today before we go to Idaho. So here we go, guys. I'll show you guys how we're going to do it, and got to get the dozer off the trailer. Got my truck back. It's all in perfect running condition. I'm going to pull the sucker out and get it off the trailer, and we're going to start welding up some iron today. All right, here we go, guys. It's so much fun driving this dozer. I love it. It's a little sketchy getting off the trailer, but I'm getting used to it. Those ramps are working out pretty good, but I think I need to reinforce them. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Yeah. I need to fix that. Cracking right there. A little bit thin. I'm going to put a piece of metal on here. I'm going to weld those suckers up. That one's holding up just fine. Alright. Get to it. I guess I better measure my Grousers first. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. 13 3/4. I think if I go 13 and a half, I'll be good. I thought they were a foot. Man, it's a good thing I measured these. 13 and a half. Yikes. I have to do 72 of these, so I'm gonna get to cutting here. Yuck. Got 75 pieces ready to go. Man, all that cut. One's doing a little reinforcing on the
Hey guys.
little reinforcing on the ramps here. Gonna add some metal to that just to make sure they're extra strong. Oh, that's a 180 weld pack. That's a better one than mine.
Yeah, this is my first time using it.
Oh.
Got a great deal.
I'm glad you could break it in on my dozer.
That's right. We gotta make heavy duty stuff here, right? Burn metal.
That's what friends are for, to work on your stuff for you. All right, here we go. I can't decide. Do I want the grouser at the front, the middle, or the back? There we go. One down. Got 2 more to go. What? Not too bad. That's a 1 inch by 1/2 inch. I also had some people on a Facebook John Deere Dozer forum suggest that the Grousers I had were too short and were for a loader, and I did some more research and found out they were right. And so, per subscribers, I decided to add some Grousers. Here we are. And we are done. Now I'm finishing up one more. Look at that, guys. New Grousers. Pretty cool. So guys, there we go. It was a long day. Didn't think it was going to take that long, but we got new Grousers on. If you guys have any ideas on that, leave me a comment down there in the bottom. We're using a 1/2 inch bar. I almost went with 3/8, but 1/2 inch seemed like the right thing to do, and I think they're just about perfect. So now we have actual dozer tracks, have some traction. So guys, tomorrow we're going to be loading this thing up and heading to Idaho. I don't know when I'm going to have this video up. I'm hoping I'll have it up. It'd be nice to have it up tonight, but I don't think I'm going to have it up tonight. I'm wasted tired, so it's about 9:30. And anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for coming along, guys. Have a good night.